Hello guys, welcome to Vitesse Communication channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about scrap phone. Scrap phone. This is an example of a scrap phone. I want to talk about scrap phone in mobile repair. So, what are scrap phone? Scrap phone are phone that are not good, or phone that are fairly good, or phone that the user don't like again, or phone that some of the part has been broken or spoiled. That's what is called scrap phone. In phone repair, buying scrap phone is very important. So now we have known the definition of scrap phone. Now the question is it good to buy scrap phone? Well, the answer might be yes, the answer might be no, considering the factor. Well, it is good to buy scrap phone because from that scrap phone you might see some spare parts there to repair other phone, such as the panel, the mouthpiece, the speaker, and any other phone part. So scrap phone is very fine. Sometimes some of these spare parts in this scrap phone cannot be found in the market, but when you buy this scrap phone, you'll be able to see all those spare parts there. Spare parts that cannot be seen in the market, such as the PCB, the down panel, or any other spare part. So it is good because it makes the spare parts available and easy to see. But now, why is not good to buy some of these spare parts phone? One, maybe because the person stole the phone, and stolen phone is against Nigerian law or the police law. When you are being caught with stolen phone, you are the same as the person that steals that phone. Sometimes it is not good to buy scrap phone if the phone is being stolen or taken by force by another person. So any phone that is being stolen, it is not good to buy because it might put you in serious problem. Another one is that what you need to consider before buying a scrap phone. Yes, you need to consider the following factor before buying a scrap phone. One, if the phone is the real owner own, you can buy it. If the owner offer you a receipt or means of identification of that phone that he is the owner of that phone, you can buy it. If the phone is the owner phone and he deliberately want to sell the phone, you need to buy it. But if the person cannot issue receipt or he don't know how come the phone is his or her, don't buy that phone so that you will not enter trouble. So take note of this one before buying a scrap phone so that you will not enter problem. So if a phone is being stolen, a phone is being taken by force from somebody, it is not good to buy those scrap phone. So as a whole, scrap phone is good, but take note of this following factor before buying a scrap phone. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Vitesse Communication channel. Bye.